Hello, I'm Crispin Jones from Mr. Jones Watches. Today we're going to be having a look at the assembly of one of our watches with Natalie, who's one of the watch assembly technicians here.
Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking to you about a perfectly useless afternoon. This is one of our quartz watches, which is a perfect example of our technique of using clear discs instead of watch hands. In terms of assembly, this way of watchmaking has its own challenges because anything on the disc becomes really visible and would ruin the illusion of transparency. Because of that, as assembly technicians, we tend to spend the longest time making sure that the dial, hour and minute hands and also the glass are completely dust-free. When we assemble the watches, the first component that goes closest to the dial is the hour disc. Before placing the minute disc, we make sure that it's aligned to the hour. Once the internal components are assembled, we prepare the case and place them inside. The last step of the process is setting the watch to time and testing it over 24 hours. I hope that was an interesting insight into assembly.
Thank you, Natalie. We'll see you in the next video when we explore another aspect of the watchmaking process here at Mr. Jones Watches.